Hi, I'm Andreas Birnik and I'm here at our labs at the National Design Center in Singapore to tell you about Creopop, a really cool 3D pen that we are working on. We came up with the idea of using light-sensitive ink that is solidified by shining ultraviolet light on it. In the industry, this is called photopolymers. With Creopop, you get a 3D pen without any hot parts, without any melting plastic, and without any bad smell. With Creopop, cool ink pops up magically. People just love to create things. We see this all the time with artists and with designers. We also see it with kids who love coloring books, Lego and Play-Doh. Creopop is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to create their own designs in different shapes and different colors.
I could have just imagined my daughter for hours messing with this.
I think it's cool and that it's going to bring drawing to a whole new level. Well, you can make a drawing in 3D. You can make customized clothes for your doll. You can make jewelry. The possibilities are endless.
We have been following the space of personal fabrication for quite some time, and the evolution has really been amazing. Just think about what has happened with 3D printers and 3D pens. However, there are a couple of problems specifically when you look at 3D pens. All of the pens out there melt plastic to dangerously hot temperatures. Just think about what would happen if someone gets melting plastic onto their skin or into their eyes. It would be really bad. In addition, you get a quite unpleasant smell when you use pens that melt plastic. It's simply not nice in a home environment. That's how we started thinking, wouldn't it be possible to do things in a different way? Couldn't we make a 3D pen without hot plastic and without a bad smell? With Creopop, you can use some really cool ink. We have inks in many different colors, so you can create multi-color designs. We have ink that is elastic, so you can make a dress for a Barbie doll. There is magnetic ink that you can use for making fridge or whiteboard magnets. We have ink that glows in the dark if you want to make objects that radiate light in a dark room. You can use our aromatic ink to make items that smell good for your car or for your bathroom. We have got ink that changes color with temperature, so you can, for example, paint a teacup and see how it changes color when you pour in hot water. And since Creopop is using cool ink, we have got body paint ink to make tattoos and henna designs.
I think it's freaking cool. My little daughter would just love it.
I think Creopop's an extremely novel idea. It's something I haven't seen before.
We started working on Creopop last year, and this is what our first prototype looked like. And this is what Creopop looks like today. As you can see, we've gotten rid of the cord and we made improvements to the design. Over the next few months, we'll make further improvements to the design and to the functionality until Creopop is ready to be shipped. We have come quite far already, and now we need your help to make Creopop a reality. If you think Creopop is cool, please pledge on Indiegogo so that we can do this together. Thank you.
Hi there, this is Danae Ringelman. I am one of the founders of Indiegogo, and I'm really excited to be here with Creopop. They're launching their Indiegogo campaign soon to bring their really cool, innovative 3D pen to the market. And what they're doing is they're using Indiegogo to reach out to the world, to the people who want to see this come to life, and get them involved in bringing this innovation out. And so it's really exciting to be here, to meet the team, and see this innovation come to life.